Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check all your TikTok search history. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and you have liked the video, so let's get started. So guys, first of all, open up the TikTok app on your phone. I'm on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android, and then you'll have to open your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner of your screen and then hit on that three lines on the top right corner. And after that, you'll have to tap on settings and privacy right on the bottom, and it will take you to a new page where you'll be able to find all the settings. And in content and display section, you'll be able to find an option of activity center. You'll have to tap on activity center, and right here you'll be able to find a lot of different options like watch history, comment history, search history. And as we want to check our search history, I'll tap on search history, and right here you will be able to check all your search history. I've searched for these three things and it's showing me here even with the time and date. So that's how you can easily check your search history on TikTok app. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.